Hey guys, Joe Tedai here. So, personally, one piece of kit that you cannot not have is a GPS. Now, I know a lot of you have these high-speed, low-drag phones that talk to UFOs and does all kind of stuff, but you've got to have a GPS. So I bought 3 of my favorite ones. Now, I'm kind of old school. My newest one right here is an Oregon 550T. It's got a color screen. It's actually waterproof. I've used this a lot in the past. I also have a Garmin 101. Now I actually use this thing in Afghanistan. It's very small. You can fit it on your wrist. You can also put it on your weapon. I had it actually on my kit right here. It's a little smaller. It's got a black and white screen. The Oregon 550's got a color screen. But this one's a very basic to and from type GPS. Then you've got this is a Rhino. Now this is an older GPS. Honestly, I don't even know if they make these anymore, but I'll tell you what's really cool about this, especially for a family. Not only is it a GPS, but you can actually communicate to each other like a walkie-talkie. The screen is so-so, it's black and white, but as far as like individuals that do have families, maybe you're traveling abroad, or better yet, you're at Disneyland, right? You can set up waypoints with this thing. You're in a huge park or something. This is a really, really good GPS. These aren't expensive. I will tell you, the Oregon 550, it's a couple bucks. But this one right here, if I'm not mistaken, you can get these online used for probably about $90, 80 bucks. But anyway, guys, the bottom line is this. Having a GPS is a necessity. Obviously, the days have gone by of people reading maps. Technology has crippled most of us, not myself, but most of us to reading maps and navigating. So having a GPS is a no-brainer to me. It's a must-have. And yeah, you say, well, I have it in my car, and that's great, but what if you have to get out of your car, you better have a handheld version of it. Again, really cheap insurance policy. You know, you may never need it, but when you do, you're going to be glad you have it.
Hey, it's Jimbo over here at TRS Survival with another tip for you. This may be one of the most important tips you ever get if you're ever caught in an urban meltdown. You know, like say there was a complete breakdown of our modern society, like if the power grid went down for a long time or something like that. Our own government estimates that within 6 months of a massive power grid failure, a shocking 90% of urban Americans will die. Are you ready for something like this? Most guys aren't, or they think they are, but they're really not. Mainly because they've been listening to and getting bad advice from the wrong people. Because while some folks will band together and help each other, most people will simply panic and resort to looting, brutality, and even murder to survive. You can imagine how desperate and dangerous things are going to get, which is why I brought in former Delta operator and Green Beret Dale Comstock to give you the real scoop. Dale's been a combat soldier for over 30 years, and he's seen up close and personal what really happens when a modern society like ours suddenly comes to a crashing halt. It's not pretty, and the survival of you and your family will have little to do with bushcraft skills or what kind of tree bark is safe to eat. So Dale will show you 2 vital survival tips. Number 1, he'll show you exactly what gear and supplies you should pack in your bug-out bag or rucksack, and it's probably not what you think. Most people don't have anything like this ready, or they load up their sacks with the wrong kind of equipment and survival gear. These mistakes can cost you your life, but now you'll know precisely what you have to have ready and what you can do without. And number 2, you'll discover how to operate as a military patrol unit in a live combat situation. Okay, these are advanced military combat tactics almost never taught to civilians. It's intensive instruction that will have you and your buddies or your family operating like a well-oiled combat-ready commando unit. Okay, I wish I could show these videos to you right here, right now, but I can't. I can't risk having my channel banned. But you can get them all for free. Just click on the link in the description. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.